my boot.
Can you open your boot?
If you insist, I'll open it.
Can you open your boot? Come on, can you open your boot? Am I joking with you, yeah? Open your boot. Hold him. Okay. Make sure you hold
500,000. You know the economy is tight.
Yes, go open.
You will need the money.
Open the boot.
You need the money. You can calm down.
There is nothing in my boot.
My boot is empty.
It's just my spare tire.
You're wasting my time.
My black spare tire.
Jesus!
What happened to her?
What happened to her? Just if you know whatever thing you did to her now, undo it now. Undo it. Fast. Undo it. Undo it. Whatever thing, undo it. Undo it.